Hey you guys, Allee-Sutton here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to Alleyways if it's your first time here. Today I'm doing a follow-up video to my Influenster unboxing, and I am trying out the Masque Bar Black Gold Peel Off Mask. So this is charcoal and 24 karat gold, and we're gonna give it a go. Let's get started. The instructions are to thoroughly cleanse and tone your face. I've already done that. Apply mask evenly over face, avoiding eyes and lips. Leave mask on for approximately 15 minutes until it has completely dried. Then slowly peel off, never pull, the mask starting from the bottom of your face. Rinse any residue with lukewarm water and pat dry gently. Okay, sounds easy enough. Oh, it's really pretty. I wish you guys could see. I don't think the camera's gonna be able to pick it up, but there's little gold flecks in the mask. You guys see? Hope you can kind of tell. Let's just get going on this. Well, it goes on really easily, I'll say that. It feels nice and cool. It's not very tingly or anything. There's a lot in here. Okay, what do you guys think? I think that's pretty good. Okay, I think I've pretty well got this. I'm gonna go rinse my hands and also start our timer. I'll be right back. Okay, the timer is officially going, so now let's talk about the benefits of this mask. It says it clarifies, illuminates, and refines skin. That the charcoal and gold peel-off mask helps draw out impurities and cleanse pores while also helping to illuminate the appearance of skin. Sounds good to me. Need all the help I can get. Also, while we're sitting here, I thought I would do a little life update. I don't think I've ever done this on my vlog, but there is a lot that's new and a lot that's different. If you watched my New York City vlog, then you know I recently traveled to New York City to have a meeting with an agency there. I met with an incredible agency. Everybody was so nice, and I did sign with them, so I'm really, really excited about that. I'm not going to be moving to New York. A lot of people have asked that. I'm going to still be here in Nashville, but commuting to New York on an as-needed basis for jobs. So yes, that is what's new here. So hopefully I'll be going back very soon. I'll say again, you guys are just so amazing. You're so nice. You support me, you know, whether it's on here or Instagram or Facebook, and it just means the world to me. So thank you so much. Okay. 10 minutes left. I'll be right back and we will peel this thing off. One of my friends, Terry, also a subscriber, commented that I should combine two of my products together and try the gold mask that I got in the Influenster box with the Max reindeer horn. So here it is. T, this is for you. What do you guys think? I just realized that this is never going to fit me. Let's try. Okay, it's a little tight, but it's definitely a look. The timer is up. Let's start peeling. Oh, I can't get the bottom. Get right here by my mouth. Did you guys see it has a really pretty gold sheen? A little intense. Well, oh. Okay, in the spirit of being honest with everything I do on my channel, that hurt, but it wasn't that bad. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the rest of this off my face, and I'll be back and we'll do a close-up of the results. I got everything off. Here is my skin up close. I hope the camera's in focus. Like I said, parts of it coming off were just a tiny bit painful, but when I was washing my face, I thought added bonus, it's like getting dermaplaning. Like you're not gonna have any hair on your face, but my skin does look clear. It's just a little red from washing and I think probably peeling the mask up, but it feels really clean. I think it looks pretty clear, and I think it would be something that would be nice to do, you know, for yourself once a week. The smell is great, and it felt nice, and I think looking at it right now, yeah, it looks really, really good. So I want to thank Influenster and Masque for sending me these products to try out. But most importantly, I want to thank you guys for watching all my videos, liking, subscribing, commenting. It means so much to me, and I thank you for being a part of my journey. Let me know what you want to see next here on Alleyways, and I'll see you next time. Bye!